gonna be right seat departure, complete to my side, FMS speed. We go heading, flight level change to 5,000 feet. Our first fix is gonna be e-bake. So standard rejection criteria, everything below 80 we reject, and engine fire, malfunction, everything that affects the safety of the flight between 80 and V1. We just reject for those, or windshields, and after V1 just we continue runway heading, we try to return to the longest runway. In this case we can go to 2A right. For the taxi route, for 2A right November 5, gonna be Alpha 15 November. No MELs or CDLs that affect the safety of the flight, no 7P pages. Just for the departure we have the GCO, the 5.5 3000 and 8.5 4000 out of here, and that's it for now. Something to add?
No, sounds good.
Okay.
All right, we'll start. We're starting one.
Okay, number one.
All right, you guys are cleared to set that brake.
All right, parking brake is set. Clear to disconnect in front. You guys have a great day.
All right, you too.
Thanks. All right, flaps to taxi.
Flaps set, nose wheel is still engaged, and altimeter right now with information Yankees 3041.
3041, okay.
Rampa boy 9858, ready to taxi.
9858, please hopping over to metering. Have a great day.
Meter, good day, boy 9858.
All right.
5870.
Right clear.
Western Global 5870, read back correct. We'll talk to you soon.
Meter, good morning, boy 9858, Stinger Alley number 1 with Yankee.
Envoy 9858, good morning. Monitor ground, 0.75.
0.75, good day.
Envoy 9858, runway 28 right at November 5, taxi via Alpha 15 in November, join Alpha behind the aircraft off the left.
To the right, November 5, Alpha 15, November, Alpha behind the Frontier, boy 9858.
Yep.
Do you want me to let him cross?
Yeah, sure. It's clear left.
Right is clear.
United 1762, runway 22 left, taxi via Bravo Victor, join Bravo behind the CRJ.
Bravo Victor, 22 left, join Bravo after CRJ, United 1762.
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay.
Yep.
United 1198, monitor 132.7.
Have a great day, 1198.
Boy 9858, Alpha 15 November, monitor 327, opposite direction, traffic waits for you.
Alpha 15 November, 327, boy 9858. Okay. Right is cleared, and do you want the AP off?
Yes, please.
Okay, taxi checklist. Second engine start complete. ICAS checked.
United
Flaps
2090, contact Chicago departure
Pitch straight, 3.5 up green.
3.5 up.
Takeoff configuration checked.
Skywest
Anti-ice.
5233 at Golf
takeoff
Golf,
data,
cross runway 28 right. Where do you park today?
I have for the takeoff
Parking
data.
Bravo 1 at Golf Golf across.
For turn right number 5, in this case going to be 116.
November Lima Lima,
with
ground
flaps 2,
point 9.
116, 121, 124, 171, TO2, 77.4.
All right, top 28 right, 116, 21, 24, 71, 22, 80, 1.7.
Okay, taxi checklist complete.
Envoy 9858, turn right heading 040, 2 right November 5, clear for takeoff.
Right, 040, clear for takeoff, to the right November 5, Envoy 9858.
Endeavor 5493, 2 right November 5, line up and wait, 1320 at 13.
28 right, number 5, line up and wait, Endeavor 5493.
Okay, before takeoff checklist, flight attendants notified, minimum takeoff field, 76 required, 77 on board.
76 required, 77 on board.
Runway and FMS, runway 28 right is checked.
Right, 28 right checked.
FMA checked.
Checked.
And before takeoff checklist complete, and we have the 2 minutes.
Cool.
And right is clear.
It's clear.
This is 1198, contact Chicago,
And ready for the aircraft?
1262, good day.
Yes, ready.
2662, sorry, 1198.
My aircraft. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Dallas 4638 at Golf
Check
Golf
thrust.
Cross, runway 28
check.
right. Where do you park today?
80.
Check.
Sky was 4638.
B1, rotate. B2.
Endeavor
right.
5493, fly runway heading 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
28 right, November 5, runway heading, clear for takeoff, and 5493.
Sky was 4638 at Golf Golf Cross, runway 28 right. Turn left on November. Where do you park?
28 right, across it at Golf Golf, and left on November, going to Fox 7.
Fly level change.
Sky was 4638, ground point 9 on the other side.
0.9 on the other side.
United 1198, departure 1250, correction 12662. Envoy 9858, contact Chicago departure on 126.8.
Departure 126.8, envoy 9858.
Flaps 1.
Departure envoy 9858, 3000 climbing 5000, heading 040.
Oh, 9858, Chicago departure, radar contact.
Flaps
Or
up.
0 Lima Juliet, turn left heading 180. Oh, 3858, climb maintain 15,000.
Is that envoy 9858?
Oh, 9858, climb maintain 15,000.
15,000, envoy 9858.
Or 0 Lima Juliet, contact Chicago approach on 126.62.
And flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
Or 0 Juliet Golf, 10 miles from OIFAM, maintain 4,000 to OIFAM, cleared RNAV runway 16 approach, speed your discretion.
After takeoff check is complete.
And climb 1, please. Yeah,
Or
autopilot on.
Delta, radar contact,
Is it
8 miles
autopilot?
Yeah,
west
autopilot.
of Waukegan Airport, O'Hare
Autopilot,
altimeter is 3045.
Center envoy 9858, 12-1, climbing to 15,000, direct to E-bake.
Envoy 9858, Chicago Center, climb maintain for level 230, resume normal speed.
Flight level 230, normal speed, envoy 9858.
230 set.
230.
Traffic, expect on course in about 30 miles.
10 right, JetBlue 2627. Boston, JetBlue 1833, 192 for 230.
Alright, we're going to
JetBlue
Bravo
1833
16.
Boston Center. Finally maintain flight level 260 from light chop above 22.
We're leaving out of
260,
Bravo 20.
JetBlue 1833.
Okay, using 2 to left.
Morning, Boston, Gulfstream 818 Mike Echo 35.5 for 310.
And condition code showing
318 Mike Echo
555,
Boston
so
Center.
I'll
Okay.
put that in.
Using the 54 card.
Yeah, 54.
Okay. And what is your temperature?
13
30.
Celsius.
Yeah. Nice.
And so I'll put this in.
Air Transat 538, contact Boston Center 125.57.
12557 there,
So I
Transat
got the speed set. You can check them whenever you want. And according to this, we need 4,179
Boston,
feet.
low Jazz 7504, flight level 330.
So everything is on review.
7504 Boston
Yeah.
Center. Roger.
Okay, ready for the briefing?
United
Okay, so
2129,
we are flying flight level 330. Our pilot going to Ponce. Your aircraft?
Yeah, my aircraft.
Okay, your aircraft, my radios. And I have the ILS runway 22 left, page 11-3, effective 25th February.
flight level 380.
We have frequencies 110.3 set in both sides, FMS auto. Final approach course to 215 until Bocuse in 1700 as our final decision altitude at 220 is set in both sides and touchdown zones 16. We have the puppy lights at the right side, and in case of mist, we go with runway heading to 3000 to the Boston, and then we go to Winnie.
8 Mike Echo.
And we have the hold is there, Winnie, when to go teardrop.
Boston, good day, Sunwing 306, flight level 310, climbing 320.
Showing here the screen
Coming
too.
306, Boston Center, I expect higher in about 50 miles.
We check.
Okay, Winnie, I have it here. When we land, we vacate to the right. We need, with the speeds, we need 4179 for the 5 conditions, so we vacate to the right, I think Papa, and then we just continue Echo. We cross runway 22 right, and we hold short there. We have the hot spot on the Echo taxiway with the 22 right, and then we just continue to which gate you said?
16.
Bravo
16.
Just continue just straight ahead. For the 22 left.
Envoy 9858, descend and maintain flight level 240 and 290 knots or greater in the transition.
Okay, 240, 29er, the transition avoid 9858.
It's 24.
Embraer Mike Echo, descend and maintain flight level 270.
Out of 290,
okay, no 17 pages over there.
Mike Echo.
United 2129, descend and
This
maintain
one
flight
we
level
have the
310.
visibility, we have 10 miles, just 2,500. We don't need the 5G thing for now. Technical notice, 22002, revision C, so something to add?
No, that sounds good.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Embraer Mike Echo, descend and
got you
maintain
at
flight
vertical
level
speed,
240.
going down to 240.
Further clearance down to 240 now,
Okay,
8 Mike Echo.
Minecraft.
United 2129, maintain flight level 290.
Envoy 9858, you're riding 130.
Right heading 130, envoy 9858.
JetBlue 360, turn left heading 250, intercept the localizer.
That's 250 to intercept the localizer, JetBlue 360.
Dow 606, 6 miles from Vocus, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach.
Cleared ILS 22 left approach, Jet 606.
United 2129, descend and maintain 4000.
Set to 4,000, United 2129.
Envoy 9858, reduce speed to 190.
Reduce speed to 190, envoy 9858.
Flaps 1.
Correction, JetBlue 360, 4 miles from Wayne, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots.
Okay, 190 knots, 3,000 till established, clear for the ILS, 22 left approach, JetBlue 360.
And flaps.
Boston Jazz 504 with you, descending by J-Fun 222 left, Juliet, speed 210 a sec.
Envoy 9858, turn riding 200, intercept localizer.
Heading 200, intercept localizer, envoy 9858.
Split 360, reduce speed to 170 to Vocus.
78 to Vocus, JetBlue 360.
7504, Boston approach, good morning, descend and maintain 4000.
4,000, Jazz 7504.
Jazz 606, maintain 180 knots to Vocus, contact tower 132.22.
32, 22, and 180 till the fast, Jazz 606.
Envoy 9858, you're 2 miles from Noli, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, maintain 190 knots till advised.
4,000 till Noli, cleared ILS 22 left approach, and 190 knots till advised, envoy 9858.
United 2129 to riding 130. Envoy 9858, reduce speed to 170 to Vocus.
170 knots till Vocus, envoy 9858.
JetBlue 360, 170 knots to Vocus, contact tower 132.22.
3222, 170 to Vocus, JetBlue 360, we'll see it.
United 2129, turn right heading 190, intercept the localizer.
190 join, United 2129.
Okay, it's 3,000.
Envoy 9858, maintain 170 knots to Vocus, contact tower 132.22.
170 knots till Vocus, tower 13222, envoy 9858.
Monday 310, you're going to turn left on Fox, crush your left on Mike, down to Echo.
Down Mike, down Echo, 310.
Tower envoy 9858 on the ILS 22 left.
Envoy 9858, Boston Tower, you're number 3, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Okay, number 3, runway 22 left, clear to land, envoy 9858. Clear to land.
Okay. Let's go with gear down, flaps 3.
America 1057, Boston Tower. It's going to be a little bit. Final's kind of busy.
That's okay, thanks. 1057.
Just 606, keep the speed up down to Papa. Turn right on Papa.
And
Join Echo. Hold short. Runway 22 right.
Papa should have 22 right, Jazz 606.
Checklist.
Papa
ICAS,
Echo.
check landing gear down 3.
Papa
down
Echo
3
should
green.
have 22 right, Jazz 606.
5. Landing checklist complete. Okay, thank you.
Just 7504, Boston Tower. 22 left. Clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, Jazz 7504.
Okay, this is me.
JetBlue 360, Papa Echo. Hold short. Runway 22 right.
Papa Echo short 22 right, JetBlue
Approach
360.
550.
JetBlue 360, Monster 128.8.
28 JetBlue 360.
Approaching minimums.
Landing.
Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
And coming on the brakes with you. Okay. And I can take it whenever you're
On board
ready.
9858, turn right on taxiway Papa. Join Echo. Hold short. Runway 22 right.
Papa Echo, hold short to right, I'm Boeing 9858.
On board 9858, Montero 128.8.
288, I'm Boeing 9858, good day.
Would like to take Charlie back to the BSR crossing 22 right, please.
FA car 89 company, stand by.
Standing by.
Okay. Alright, flaps up. And you can get the APU on as well. Right, yeah.
JetBlue 945, Boston runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Runway 22 right, line up and wait, JetBlue 945.
Right is clear for now. Okay.
Sunbird 980, contact departure.
Departure, Sunbird
The
980.
landing checklist complete.
On board 9858, Boston Tower and Echo, cross runway 22 right and contact ground point 9.
Echo, cross to right and contact ground, I'm Boeing 9858.
2129,
Right,
Boston
clear.
Tower, cross runway 22 right, Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Cross 22 right, Charlie, point 99, 21, 29,
And right.
JetBlue 945, contact departure.
Departure, JetBlue 945, good day.
FAA car 9, I think it is, and company there in Charlie, cross runway 22 right.
Alpha.
Ground, I'm Boeing 9858, Echo, Bravo 16.
Convoy 9858, Boston, taxi via Echo.
Yeah, Echo, I'm Boeing 9858.
Right clear.
Okay, 21, 29, we're clear for Bravo 25.
Oops, I'm Boeing 9858.
Convoy 9858, go ahead.
I'm 9858 on ground. Can you send the rampers for Bravo 16, please?
Bravo 16, they be called, so they should be right out.
Thank you.
Envoy 9858.
Yeah, I'm Boeing 9858, go.
What's happening over there? No crew?
Yeah, we're waiting for one more ramper.
Okay. Envoy 9858.
Yeah, I'm Boeing 9858.
No luck yet?
Not yet.
Okay. I'm going to kick you out of there. Jazz is stuck behind you. I was going to bring you around. So make a left there at Echo 1 for me and a left on Kilo.
Okay, Echo 1 Kilo, I'm Boeing 9858.
Alright. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you. Excellent.
Envoy 9858, thanks for doing that. You can make the next left at Alpha and come back down Echo and wait again.
Alpha and Echo, and we wait again, Envoy 9858.
Right here. Excellent.
I guess he's our
they're
third
ready.
one. Okay, cool.
They're ready. And right is clear.
Right, coming right. Envelope looks clear.
American 22, give way to Delta Embraer at Echo.
Give way to the Delta Embraer Echo, American 22.
Good morning, Brickyard 5647 on Echo parking Alpha 17.
Brickyard 5647, Boston Gun, taxi Echo ramp.
Echo to the ramp, Brickyard 5647, thanks.
Alright, shut down checklist.
Shut down checklist, parking brake, on, status to 1 and 2,
Stop.
transponder,
Standby.
passenger signs,
Up.
red beacon,
Up.
APU, on, hydraulics,
Set.
shut down checklist complete.